Hello students, today we are going to learn about a new topic in Unit 5th, Organizing, and the topic is formal and informal organization. So first of all, we must know that what is a formal organization. You have seen lot of organizations like first of all our school, then any other office like post office, bank, or any company office, or any other office where people are working are examples of formal organization. It means where the relation between the employees is very formal and they are limited up to their official job. So wherever there is a official relation between the employees, then it is known as formal organization. Then a question arises, what is informal organization? Informal organization exists in every formal organization. It is a relation between personal relation between the employees. They may be friends, they may be relatives or colleagues, but there must be some sort of friendship, love and affection for each other. It is a requirement of human being to share his views, his or her views with the colleagues. So it exists within the formal organization. It is not a compulsory part of any organization, but it exists in each and every formal organization. So what is it? It is actually a personal relationship of employees. It may be like chit chatting in the rest interval or gathering outside the organization by the employees without the direction of organization. So we will learn about the informal organization later on. First of all, we will see the advantages of formal organization. So it has several advantages. Number one is systematic working. It means that whenever we start up a new organization, we design the organizational structure, we design the duty chart, we also write that who is responsible to whom, who is senior, who is subordinate, and what are their functions. So it is a very systematic work. Every role and responsibilities are clearly written down and they are percolated down to each and every employee. Means every employee knows that what he is required to do. So it is very helpful in systematic working. Next point is achieving organizational objectives. Whenever we have a formal organization, the organization must have a organizational objective that may be profit earning or increasing customers or increasing goodwill. So the formal organization is the actual organization. That's why it helps in achieving organizational objectives. Third point is no overlapping. It is very important point. First of all, we will know about what is overlapping. Suppose some duty is given to a particular person and he perform his duty at right time. But it may be possible duties are assigned to 2 3 employees, that any one of you can do it according to your convenience. Then it makes a confusion and every employee will try to perform that activity. This is overlapping. Everyone think that the previous one person has not done it, so I'll do it. So that is overlapping. And in formal organization, the overlapping is almost reduced to zero because each and every person has specific rules and their duties. There is a principle of order, everyone must be present at their place. So it avoids overlapping. Next point is coordination. The formal organization always work in a coordination. We have learnt about in the unit first that coordination is the essence of management, and here also, because it is a formal organization, so every department, every unit, every employee of a team work in coordination. Next point is chain of command. We have learned about the organizational hierarchy, the top level, the middle level, the bottom level, and there is a chain of command that first of all the top level will decide what to do, and then it issue the orders to the middle level and then to the supervisory level, and then the worker will carry on the task. So it creates a chain of command. And last point is emphasis on work. Here we talk about only the work, not any other thing and not any personal things. So it is very helpful and they are very professional to work in that organization. And these are the merits or advantages. Here are several disadvantages also, like delay in action. Delay in action, we say that sometime for each and every decision we have to ask from our superior. It may be possible that superiors are busy, so they hold on our task or our request. It may be pending for a few days to few months. So it is very difficult to take any action. Whenever the superior level authorizes us to do so, then only we can do it. So sometimes it delays few actions. Next is it ignores social needs of an employee. It is very important that we are working in an organization, we are going to office, we are doing our work, and we are coming back to home. Then again for few years we are doing the same routine job. So it is very painful for a human being without sharing his views, just like a robot. They are working day by day, and it makes depression among the employees. So for this, there is no remedy in formal organization. So the social need of employees are ignored totally. Boss never asked for any social gathering or any party or any visit or any game, but nowadays it is a culture in every organization to solve this issue. But here we are learning about the disadvantages, so we will write only the negative aspect. And last one is emphasis on work only. You can see that this was a merit also, emphasis on work, and it is a demerit also. It is a common point. It depends that how we prove our point. If we are on the advantage side, we can say that it is very good to emphasize or focus on work, but if we are learning the disadvantages, then it is not very good. If we are focusing only on work, then we will ignoring the social interest of employees, and it may create a problem in the human beings or the employees, and they are socially detached with their problems. They are not allowed to share their views sometime. So it is a demerit. And overall you can see that we have only 3 demerits and 6 merits. So we can easily conclude that the formal organization is very important. That's why we have this type of corporate culture in our country for every company, every organization, and all organizations comes in the category of formal organization. So students, if you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you.